Hi guys, so this is our goat meat, frozen goat meat, washed and frozen. So this has already been cut. I think I cut this before freezing it. Washed after cutting and then I froze it. Now be intentional to use different types of nylon in freezing your different types of meat because unless you label, we just don't have that patience to label, don't we? So that's my own labeling, using different nylon because when you're in a hurry, sometimes you get confused. Feeling may not work. So you just have to find a way to treat that. Okay? So I'll just transfer. Since it's already been cut, I do not need to cut it. Transfer it into the pot. Transfer them into the pot. Now I was told that the female definitely female I'm into that female things chicken. Before I used to get it mixed up. What's the female called? Forgotten. Is it chicken or chicken? No, chicken are the babies. Chicken or and it should be the male. So I'm going with my onion, already sliced onion. So I've noticed from what I keep hearing, I got to differentiate it this way. Anything male is softer. Female is usually harder. And how did I start it in my head? I will say to myself, female, a lot has gone out of her. She has given birth, so she becomes hard and dry. But the male is kind of is softer. So that's how I started my head. And when I kept asking, I found out that it actually applies that way. That might not be the reason, but that was just the reason I gave in my head. So that I don't need to talk anytime I want to buy. So the male is softer than the female. And I think my explanation makes sense because now male is supposed to be harder, but when they say it's softer, I think that's the reason of giving birth. So next I'll go with my seasoning cube. So it's practically the same way. Anything I try to add dry pepper to my goat meat when I'm seasoning it. Dry pepper or fresh pepper, but dry is fine. Of course I'll do. You need to be careful so you don't soil your containers, especially the inside. Another thing you could do is to dish them out in your saucer or in a plate before you start mixing. But no, that's not the reality of kitchen. Your real kitchen doesn't work that way. So next I'll go into I'll still use one. Now why I use one is because when I'm cooking the food finally, I'm not going to have to use any other one. I'll not have to put turmeric. So the turmeric from the seasoning of the meat serves also in the food. So that's why I'm saying do this size. And that's why I prepared the cubes. So what else hasn't gone in? Okay, salt. Okay, we put salt. Sometimes you don't forget. So I can taste. I don't know about you. I can taste. So it's just okay. Leave it inside and mash it. Let me still do rosemary. I still do my meat almost similar. The only thing I don't put is curry. So if I want to use it for soup, I don't really have to deal with the taste of curry. I find it's fine. I just know I don't have boiled meat. So I'm boiling this meat. I'm not sure the soup I want to use to cook, but it's good to have boiled meat. Sometimes you have some dish you want to make and just need some pieces of it. How's it? Food is fine. So in the first phase of your season, you can have a taste, either the water or the meat, whatever. If you feel it's not enough, maybe the salt or whatever was not enough, you can quickly add more before it finishes boiling. So keep this aside for about 30 minutes to 1 hour to marinate before we start boiling. So I added one more seasoning cube, but I don't want to use my hand. I've washed it. So I'll just leave it there. I'll break it together with the, let me bring this. So break them together and stir with a spoon before I start boiling. Before you finish it, you actually dissolve and rhyme together. I just wanted to share that. So this is over 30 minutes. I didn't add the dry pepper like I said, so I'm going to add it now. Some Cameroon dry pepper. So I'll stir. Let me try to break the again. Break the turmeric. And I'll just stir and begin to boil. So I'll cover it and leave it to boil. Okay, so that's our goat meat. My son just said, "Oh, smelling like good." Of course, it's goat meat. I smell like good. So this is our goat meat. I'm going to taste the skin to see if it's well cooked. Water. You don't need to. I like cook in his own. Light cook in his own water. And you have a better tasting meat. So that's it. As I will. So maybe in the next 5-10 minutes, I'll put it down and that's it. Thank you. Hope you've learned one or two things from that, and the flavor is amazing. Like I said, so in all, I used 3 cubes of seasoning. 3 seasoning cubes. If that's too much for you, you can make it 2. But the thing, how do I know it's not too much? I don't smell the seasoning. Some people will cook and then you smell the seasoning. So what's it called? So no seasoning should stand out. The smell of all of them just combine together to give you an amazing put together smell. You can't distinguish between curry, I'm sorry, Maggie, you didn't use curry for this. Seasoning cubes, the turmeric, everything just came together as a blend. So when you know your seasoning cube was too much, is when it smells distinctively of that seasoning cube. So I hope you've learned one or two things. Please like, subscribe, share, give us thumbs up so that the algorithm will recognize us and push it out to others. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.